The first movement we have is seated band lat pull down. An alternative to the band lat pull down, if you have access to cables or a machine, you have the lat pull down machine, which looks like a pull up. So for us, we are first putting the band over the pull up or something, a post or something that's very sturdy and stable. We have these bolted into the wall and into the ground. And you want to make sure the band is in good condition. Look, you could look for cracks and areas of tearing so that it doesn't snap and whip you in the eyeball. So we have the box up here, we flip it over and we're holding each end of the band. We step down while holding on to it, sitting down, and the bar is fairly right above us. It could be a little bit in front, keeping our chest up, feet flat on the ground. So we're pulling down with our elbows. And sometimes we have people leaving their shoulders up, like in this pulling or the finish position or the starting position, sorry. But we want to pull the elbows back and down to engage the muscles in the back. So slowly going down, slowly coming up to a full stretch. You could also hold it with a slightly different angle of your hands. So this, we could see the hands are facing forward, as opposed to before we have the hands facing each other, more of a neutral grip. So trying to actively sit nice and tall through your spine. And as we come off, we're going to stand up and let go of the band nice and softly. So all of our movements for beginners, we'll say at the beginning of the exercise, or especially for beginners, is we want the movements to be slow and controlled on the way down and on the way up. And we want to pause at the starting position, at the finishing position also. This helps you, your body and yourself, actually learn what it feels like throughout the movement, but you're teaching your body to have control at all the different angles of this exercise. So that's the seated band lat pull down.